Uh, okay, folks, I'm back. I pushed the wrong button, and I was almost finished anyway. So I'll just double check in here. Stuff. Make sure or try to find what I missed. When you're doing a vehicle this big, all these nooks and crannies, you always miss something. It's impossible to do it without missing something. So I'm trying to see what I missed, because I know I'm out of miss. I probably missed something somewhere. So I'm still watching, still looking. That's what I call the final walk around. Oh man, I just dropped out of sight on y'all a while ago. Sorry about that. And I always take all the personal effects and put them inside of a baggie. That's a gallon Ziploc bag, just to keep it all together. I don't even look, see what it is. Any stuff I find, I'll put it in a baggie. And if there's more than one, and sometimes there are, I'll write on there with a marker what area that stuff came from. And I'm not sure. Sometimes I forget, but I try to do it as I go. Got all down in there. This is a very, very nice vehicle. Okay. I just wanted to pop back up right quick, y'all, and say bye. Glenda, I pushed the wrong button a while ago, sweetie, and I ended my live video by accident, even though I was almost done anyway. I just wanted to jump back on right quick, because I thought maybe that was rude of me just to pop off without even saying goodbye. But oh, two people are back, you and somebody else. You guys leave me a comment down there if you feel like doing that. Ask a question if you feel like you need to ask a question. You know. Whoops. Your picture disappeared. Oh, it's back again. I don't understand this Facebook Live stuff too much just yet. As evidenced by the fact that sometimes I sign off prematurely. Oh man, Gloria, I don't know if you saw this while ago. Look at all those cleaners I used. Well, I didn't use them all, but I had them there in case I needed them on my handy dandy little roll around cart. Of course, some of that stuff, my buffers and stuff, I didn't need for this job, not on doing the interior. Although I do have a brush that will fit on my rotary or the DA buffer for doing carpet and stuff like that. Sometimes when you just want a little bit of agitation, but you don't want like a drill brush going, which I used my drill brush a lot today too. I guess I didn't put it away. I'll find it when I start, you know. Some of these towels I used, I'll throw away some of them. I'll wash. Some of them are getting towards the end of their life. I've got a bag full of laundry to do after finishing a vehicle this side. I probably used 15 or 20 towels, microfiber towels doing the inside, and probably that many or more on the outside. So I've got a ton of laundry to do, Miss Glenda. You know, that's something us guys just don't like to do. I'm not sure anybody likes to do it. Hey, Miss Benita. Just finished up this car, Benita, for one of my regular customers. It's all spiffed up now. I sent them a message to let them know it's ready to go. I was on a little bit earlier than I signed off accidentally, so I signed back on. And this is just the tail end of that. Hey, Tina Duncan! Just finishing up this customer's Ford Explorer Platinum, which I think means it's loaded in. Trust me, everything on here is electric. This thing almost thinks for itself. I think she likes to keep that down. I'm not sure how you get it down, but oh, there it goes. I had lifted them up so I could clean under them better. I took them seats loose, those back ones, so I could get up under there better. Everything's been steam cleaned on the inside of this car, Tina. Everything. Carpet shampooed, steamed, extracted, all that stuff. You know, these seats, I wanted to make mention of this because when Jason gets here, or his wife, who actually owns this vehicle, what I hate is these leather seats. They got all those little bitty holes in it. I don't know if these are heated or what. Cleaning out all those little bitty holes. Ugh, that's what took me so long doing the inside of this. All those little bitty holes. Those seats got them. Those seats got them. There's 2 more seats back there that's got them. Ugh. I think they're heated is why they got those little pinholes in there. I'm not sure. That's normally where you see that a lot of times. I need to do a final wipe down because it's so humid outside. You know, and I think the dew line is starting to move in. But I'll tell you another thing that was a pain on that outside was doing this grill. Of course, grills are always a pain, but you know, finding tools to get up in there. You know, not only to clean up in there, but to protect them with wax or whatever it is you decide to use. I used sealant this go around. Getting up all in there and down there, that goes up in there too. It's like a little mini grill down there. I don't know what you call it, air dam or something or other. All that stuff looks cool, but it sure is a pain to clean. One thing I can't figure out is why these mirrors keep doing this. It's just folded this way. I guess it's got something to do with the doors being open, doors being closed, it's running, or I don't know. They just seem to move around on their own volition. But I just wanted to show you guys the inside of this thing. I'm very happy with how it turned out. I think she will be too. I appreciate the thumbs up there, whoever gave that to me. Eddie Sharp. Hey, Eddie Sharp. How you doing? How you doing? Just finished up this Ford Explorer Platinum is what it's called. I think the interior came out real nice. It wasn't terrible to start with, Eddie, because the lady that drives this and owns it, she keeps it relatively clean. She's pretty much the only one that rides in it, and she doesn't smoke or anything like that, so it was a little bit dirty. Yeah, a few things, I think, where maybe she had a cup of coffee or something in here, but nothing terrible, nothing terrible. But I went ahead and steam cleaned it anyway. Hey, Teresa, Miss T as I call you. Finished this car, Teresa. I'm done. Waiting for him to come pick it up. Hey, Miss Sherry. Finished up this lady's Explorer today, Sherry. I waved at you, Miss Sherry. Let's keep saying, it tells me over and over and over and over that Sherry Cox is watching. Latella Cox is watching. I don't understand it. But yep, that was a long, all day long, and part of yesterday evening doing the inside of this car. But I put it back as close to brand new as possible. In fact, it might have been a little bit better condition, not scratches and scuff marks, maybe that kind of stuff, when it was brand new. But I guarantee you, it wasn't any cleaner than it is right now, and any more sanitized, because I steam cleaned everything. Pulled everything out, cleaned up under it, and all that kind of stuff. You know how I am, Sherry. I'm so particular about these cars. You'd think they belonged to me. I steam cleaned all the door jambs, cleaned all them out. Here's a question for you guys. You can answer it down in the comment section if you want. A big debate among detailers is, are the door jambs, are they part of the interior or are they part of the exterior? Constant debate among the pro detail world. It don't matter to me. I pretty generally clean them anyway. I like to get in there and clean these rubber gaskets and all down in there and all that. And I like to get all in here with the little brushes they make for doing that. Clean all that and then put protectant in there. Hey, Miss Actress Queen. But yeah, Y'all jump in there, make a comment. Door jambs, part of the interior or part of the exterior? That's the question for the day. It really doesn't matter, but you know, if somebody hires you and they say, I don't want the interior done, I just want the exterior done. Does that mean you do the door jambs when you do the exterior, or the door jambs for when they just want the interior done? I get a car, all they want done is the interior. Okay, whatever y'all want, I'll do. But I guess it just depends on how you're going to figure up the cost for the customer. But I just like to see them done. So I generally do them both ways, either way. But I'd be interested to hear what y'all think about that question. So leave me a comment and let me know. Hit the like button or whatever. It's getting all dusty sitting out in the driveway. Come get it while it's still clean. All right, you guys, I'm gonna sign off of here. Finish putting all my stuff away. Look at all that stuff, Sherry. All the stuff I get out in case I need it. Blowers, dryers, vacuums, steamers, and all that stuff. Extractors and spray bottles and sprayers and pump up sprayers. Man, I had it all going today. Well, you never know when you're going to run up on a particular problem and you need something. Okay, folks, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate you very much for watching here live in Sharpsburg, Georgia at Mike's Magic. Auto detailing and paint enhancement and motorcycles on occasion. I don't get too wild. I'm not wild about motorcycles. But anyway, I appreciate y'all. I'll catch you later. Goodbye.